This video will show you exactly how to rob your binary options broker. This is no joke. I spent over 10 years of experience into figuring out how it works to make constant profit in binary trading. And you see my chart here, I'm not using any bullshit indicators, I'm not using any tools, I'm using the plain simple price chart of candlesticks, and that's it, how it should work. The only information I'm seeing here is the price, and I'm here to show you my trades. We will make a live trading session. We are currently in the main trading time. In the afternoon, the US market is open and I'm waiting for my chance to hit a very good trade here. Let me refigure my investment amount. This time we will go big, around $1,000 I will invest into one trade. Because here I will tell you now step by step how it works, how to rob your binary options broker. And I'm very sure I will make here some good profit. So the first thing is what you are doing. If you want to rob your binary options broker, if you want to make constant money, the first thing is you do zoom out. I always repeat the same thing here in these videos. If you follow my videos, see my other videos. First thing ever, get the big picture in your mind. Very important. What's the big picture? You need to see what's happening here all over the time. What is the trend? Don't trade like an idiot. Don't trade like these idiots who look on the chart like this. This don't work. So you need to zoom out. I always prefer to get into the bigger time frame. For example, the 15-minute chart. If you trade 1 minute candles, you can go to the 15-minute chart and check out what's happening there. So right now I see the bigger picture, and we are currently in a downtrend. So this is the first step you have to do. We are currently in a slightly downtrend. We have this low here, very strong low because of the V shape, you see it. And right now we are declining in the price. So here we hit this low, but if I see this strong rejection, it can go lower and I want to do a short trade. So I go back into the 1 minute chart, right? See this, see the second one. The second tip is for me, go to the current. What is the market doing at the current price? Where we are, what is the market doing here? So we see downtrend, we see lower lows, lower highs. Very simple to see. So the first two steps, super easy for you to do. Everybody can see this, that we have a trend, we have these falling highs, we have these falling lows, and now we try to trade with the trend. Simple. So I'm waiting here for the right signal, and we are in a range. This can be harder. Because this trend is not so strong. You see it's not so strong, but it's downwards. And yeah, I want to put my money in here. Let me see this. Okay, we have entry signal maybe here yet right now in the next candle. This looking good. And I will show you the secret of the entry signal. Oh, this is looking too good. It's looking too good. But let me do my trade here. The next candle I'm going short. In here I always trade a new candle, so I set $1,000 into the next candle and I'm convinced that this candle will be red. So you might asking, what is my entry signal? Entry signal. Super simple again. It's so simple that you will not believe it in the beginning, because everybody is talking so bullshit about trading. They have no idea how it works correctly, how the market is really moving. And yeah, if you also want to have more knowledge about it, just visit our webpage binaryoptions.com. You can get our course with more examples and explanation, but the entry signal, the third thing, the entry signal is so super easy. Entry, we just using wicks. This is a wick of a candle, okay? Or we are using a color change. So I won this trade, easy money, $840 on a nice afternoon, and yeah, I'm ready to go on Friday to the weekend. That's it, guys. You need nothing more. So let's come back to the entry signal. We are using wicks. Very good to use wicks. You see it, here's a wick, here's a wick, here's some wicks, here's the opposite of the wick. Here are some wicks, you see them everywhere, and most of the time the wick shows a rejection and a turn around movement. So what you see behind this wick, it's just like the market is doing this movement in this candle, and this is a rejection point. Boom, turning point. And here, right now you saw, I will zoom in like an idiot to show you that you can see it. You see here the wick is coming, the wick is coming, the market is doing 1, 2, 3 wicks. I waited till the market goes lower, because here this one wasn't good enough for me to take the trade here on this candle. So I waited this candle and yeah, waited for the momentum and go in. So we see 1, 2, 3 wicks, and this is a rejection. The market goes up, ticks here, ticks here, ticks here, boom. That's what you see in these candles. And if we have these hitting prices, we know there's a resistance. Easy like this, easy like this. And yeah, then the momentum comes in play and we get the trade with the trend. This is one of my entry signals to taking the wick, or you can trade the color changes. It's super simple, the color change. You see here, green, 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 red, it's your entry. Green, green, red, it's your entry. Green, 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 red, it's your entry. And then you go in and take the trade. Yeah, that's it with the trend. These are the 3 simple steps to rob your binary options broker. Apply it, do it, repeat it, and you make the profit out of it. So in summary, I didn't use any fancy technique here. I used the basic thing. And yeah, you need this in your head always to make these trades. And remember, the highs, the lows, the highs, the lows are the most important stuff. If we have lower lows, lower highs, we know we are in a trend and we can go with this strategy profitably. So thank you for watching. Let me hear your thoughts. What do you think on this strategy? I showed it many times on this channel. Always the same stuff. Keep repeating it. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and we see us in the next video. Bye guys.